my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you the 4 skills needed to create food freedom for your family. Here's a clip from the show. So the garden theme for this year is food freedom with a focus on seeds. So there are 4 skills that we need to create food freedom and make the grocery store optional. So 1, of course, is growing food. 2 is creating compost to feed the plants. 3 is saving seeds to grow again next year, and 4 is preserving some of the food for the winter. So this year I want to focus on seeds and seed saving, and this is a skill that all of our ancestors had. They would save seeds from their gardens to grow again the following year, and then they would trade the seeds with their neighbors. So seeds, they were just a part of our lives. So the seeds in the catalogs these days are mostly hybrids. So the problem with the hybrids is you can't reliably save the seeds from the hybrid plants. So this causes us to go back to the catalogs year after year to get seeds. Also, this cuts down on our biodiversity, and we are at the mercy of the seed companies to provide our seeds. So a better plan is to start learning how to save seeds from our own garden. And these seeds that we save are called open pollinated seeds. So our first goal is to start saving seeds from the easy to save seed plants. And last year we learned how to save the lettuce seed, that was firecracker, and this year we're going to learn to save the seeds from some tomatoes, some bok choy, and some peas. So we're going to have a lot of fun exploring the world of seeds and learning how easy it is to create your own seeds from your garden. So if you are wanting some open pollinated seeds to play with, we are now selling open pollinated seeds from our farm. You can now find them on our website at thelivingfarm.org/shop/#seeds. We'll put that link in the description below. And all the seeds that we offer are open pollinated, so you can play with all of them. And if you'd like to learn how to save some seed, here are the 12 easiest plants to save seeds from. So there's lettuce, there's squash, winter or summer, tomatoes, cucumbers, sunflowers, beans, peas, peppers, kale, melon, and radishes. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 1. If we want to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.